Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. I have had so much fun with this We Are Memory Keepers Mini Cinch bookbinding tool. And it says mini, but I can use it for even larger projects. So the versatility is just so excellent, and it allows you to create your own books in 3 easy steps. You punch the holes, then you add it to the wire, and then cinch it together. It has a guide. It tells you exactly where to put your guide based on the size of your paper. I don't have to do the calculations to figure out where to put the holes. The guide also allows you to see how many pieces of paper or the thickness of the items that you can punch at once. So I didn't have to do page by page, which sped up the process for me. There is a place at the bottom where all of the little pieces that get punched from the paper are held, so it's easy to collect them and throw them out. This We Are Memory Keepers Mini Cinch bookbinding tool has been such a fun addition to my craft room, and that's my point of view.